Okay, let's get it compared to 0 first. That's going to be 12, x minus 1, minus 16, over x, minus 4, less than or equal to 0. Common denominator, relatively simple. It's x minus 1, x, and you can get 12x minus 16, x minus 1, minus 4x, x minus 1, less than or equal to 0. Well, let's keep moving along. I'm going to simplify that top. Looks relatively complicated, I guess, in some respects. But the bottom is just simply x times x minus 1. And let me do the top for you, all right? And I want to do it on the side because I'm going to erase it. But it's 12x, then it's minus 16x, and then it's plus 16, and then minus 4x squared. And then what do you get? Plus 4x. Well, I definitely see 16. 12 minus 16 is minus 4, plus 4, there are no x's. Then I get minus 4x squared. You know, you could factor a 4 out from that. What do you get? 4. Then you get 4 minus x squared. Relatively simple. What do you get? You get 4, 2 minus x, 2 plus x. My number line is going to go down. And on the number line are going to be the zeros at the top and the bottom. So plus or minus 2. They get shaded in, by the way, because it does make it equal to 0 in both cases. The bottom zeros, though, are going to be 0, and the other one is going to be 1. They are not shaded in because you'd have a division by 0. You're going to take numbers on the intervals, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test points to check out, and please do each one separately. So after 2, choose 3, and you would get negative over a positive, which is negative, and negative numbers are definitely less than 0. So I'll shade that in. All right, between 1 and 2, I'd pick 1.5. On top, you get positive. On bottom, you would get positive. Positive numbers are not less than 0. All right? Between 0 and 1, I'd pick 0.5. The top would be positive. The bottom would be negative. So between 0 and 1, it evaluates to a negative number. Now let's take a number like minus 1. And if you do that, you get positive on top. And on bottom, you also get positive. And positive numbers are not less than 0. Take a number below minus 2, like minus 3, plug it in. You get negative on top, and you get a positive on bottom, so you get negative overall. Let me shade that in. And I'm ready to write the intervals down. It's going to be minus infinity up to minus 2, inclusive, union, 0 to 1, union, 2, inclusive, off to infinity. Final answer is interval notation. Let's look at the key and see if we've got it. I see this, I see this, and I see this. Thank you.